50 lottery tickets were sold and there are 5 prizes on these tickets. If Kunal has purchased one lottery ticket, what is the probability that he wins the prize? Okay. Probability is what? Required upon total. What is required? Wins. How many wins? 5. Right? 5 prizes are there. Total tickets 250, required win 5. So probability is equals to 5 upon 250, 1 by 50. Next, a game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Okay. Ajay wins all the tosses if all the tosses give the same result, that is 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Ajay will lose the game. See here, 1 rupee coin is tossed. So coin tossed 3 times. Okay. Outcome per toss is 2, either heads or tail. So total outcome is 2, means per toss raised to how many times tossed? 3. Right? So 2 cube 8. So total is 8. Now he wins if all the 3 are same results. So what can be the 3 results? Either they can be head or tail, right? Other than these he won't win. So out of 8 outcomes only 2 wins are possible. So losers how many possible? 8 minus 2, 6 times, right? So required equals to what? We require that he will lose the game, right? So 6 is required. So probability is what? 6 upon 8 total, right? 3 by 4. That's the answer. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.